I don't see a soul in here. I don't know if nobody's in here, if the counter is slow. I am semi outside. I'm in a garage on a fairly hot day trying to put a child to sleep with a blanket on me. But let's see who is all here. So my counter says that we don't have anybody in here. So if you're in the house, drop a comment. If you are with me, drop a comment. Drop a comment. Or hit the little heart thing. Make the heart thing start going. Or the 100s. If you are here, I want to see if anybody is here. Or maybe I'm bugging. I don't believe. Okay, I think we got one person. Ndewo. Active. All right. So who is that? Logie Bless. I think it's Logie Bless. Ndewo Logie. Appreciate it. Welcome. So let me go ahead and begin. My name is Derek Ofadarnwa. I'm the host of The Medicine Shell here on YouTube. I teach Odinala, which is Igbo spirituality, cosmology, philosophy, thought, and that kind of thing. Ancestral philosophy, ancestral spirituality. So if you have any questions on that or anything really, I can answer any question or discuss any topic. I am 100% open. The way this works is ask me almost anything. If you bring something up, I will try to the best of my power to discuss it or answer it. And there, we are going to begin. So I think we're starting slow today. So we are going to begin once we get, let's say, 15 people in here, right? As always, the best way to support The Medicine Shell is joining our Patreon community at patreon.com/The Medicine Shell. Members of the Patreon get full access to the Odinani lunar calendar, which lets you know which market day we're on. And this is very important for observances, ritual, and alignment as well, right? Because each of the days have a meaning and an energy signature and a power and a force that they bring into the world, right? And so the calendar lets you know. It syncs with like your Google Calendar, and I think Apple Calendar. We've been successful at getting people to link it to their Apple Calendar. You also get access to my full library. So I have over 300 books. I add to it regularly on Igbo spirituality, cosmology, culture. I go into different topics like hoodoo, Obe, Santeria, astral projection. I have this really good book in there that is like a step-by-step on how to do astral projection. Those of you who are already part of the village, which is our Patreon community, if you're interested in seeing it, message me. If you're new, message me. And they wonder who else is here? Who else is here? Who else is here? So let's do this. I am going to give it, what time is it right now? This thing doesn't have a timer. Lie down. Okay, there we go. I'm going to give it 5 minutes. If we don't get over 15 in 5 minutes, then we'll have to close the live. Say what? No, it's okay. It's okay. Just stay here. Just keep your head down. So yeah.
I don't want this Band-Aid.
You don't want the Band-Aid, okay. Who is in the house? Who is in the house? This is Ask Me Anything. We're going to begin once we get 10 people in here. We're going to begin once we get 10 people in here. My name is Derek Ofadarnwa. I'm the host here with The Medicine Shell. Those of you who are here, where are you coming in from? Those of you who are here, where are you coming in from? I don't know. I really think something's broken or something's off. Something is very off. Well, those of you who are here, if you're here, send something in the messages because I think something's off. Something is very off. From Jamaica. I said Jamaica like a Nigerian. And so on TikTok, I'm trying to one-man army the diaspora wars and end them. So I think last week or 2 weeks ago, I made a video about how much I appreciate Jamaica, how much I appreciate Jamaicans, and how much I see my own culture as an Igbo man in the Jamaican culture. So if you're on TikTok, find me on TikTok and see the video. Hey, John, Ndewo. I don't know what's going on today. This is very unusual. Yeah. I can't play. I'm live. Yeah. So, So what did I say? I said 5 minutes at about the 3-minute mark. So we'll see where this goes. Since we're probably going to have to close out the live.
Look at these doggies.
Yeah, they're the neighbor's doggies. Look, keep your head down. Okay? So yeah, since we're probably going to have to close the live out early today, those of you who are here, you can go ahead and ask me questions or bring up topics if you're interested And if we can't pass 15, then we're gonna have to just let it be. You know, maybe today was not the day. There one. Happy Monday, of course, coming from DC. John, I hope. I heard that Trump is. I heard Trump's got them boys out there. What does DC look and feel like right now? John, what does DC look and feel like right now? I don't, you know, sometimes when you're outside of a city and you hear about what's going on in the news, it sounds one way, but then when you're on the ground and you're living it, it's a whole different thing. So they said Trump is sending, I don't know, it's like National Guard or the Navy SEALs. It feels uneasy. Okay, gotcha. I hope nothing weird's nothing strange is going on for many people. I could imagine. Yeah, I could imagine. It's so ignorant too. Like that's such an ignorant response to an endemic systematic issue. You know? Like once National Guard go away, is that like the end of it? You know what I mean? There's people just all of a sudden aren't homeless anymore. Like I don't know what his plan is, but it feels very temporary, emotional, and maybe like performative, right? Trying to show something. Look at likes. Oh yeah. We got 2 likes and 8 people in here. So I don't know what the beef is, y'all. Oh, yeah, the National Guard is here. Dude, I threw a sandwich at them and got charged with assault. That's hilarious. Hey, Nandu, stay off the camera, okay? So you can know there's fine, yeah. There one. Let us see. We got about, 3, 4. We got 1 more minute to hit 15 people, or else we're gonna have to close this one because it's looking like today is not the day. I can try again tomorrow though. There one. John, how long did they say that this was going to go on for? Or is this what life in DC is just about to be? Message held for review. Let's see what this degenerate is saying. Nah, it's not even funny. Another moderator handled this. What is going on? Phoenix, are you in here? Okay. Devma. Okay, what was it? All right, y'all. So we were trying to hit 15 by the 5-minute mark. We were not able to do that today. Makandewo. Well, we're close. How about this? If you guys are here and you guys want to have this discussion today, I brought this just in case I start sweating. If you guys want to have this discussion today, send this to the group chat, send this to the live, post this on Instagram, TikTok, wherever you have access to our people. Sorry, eating dinner and listening. Amaka, you may need to just return to the dinner because I'm thinking about closing this one out. It is looking like we are not going to hit our mark. I'll give it 20 more seconds. I'm going to try again tomorrow if we don't do it today. Amaka, you're about to graduate. Not to put your business out there, but you're about to graduate from Igbo 1. How are you feeling? Oh, no. Sorry, Mama. Okay, y'all. All right, that's it. All right, everybody. So looks like it said tomorrow dial. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and try this again tomorrow. We did not hit our mark as far as people, but it was nice having everybody here. Somebody gave me a really good idea for a topic, so I think tomorrow we're going to have that discussion on Afa divination, how it works and all that stuff, because we have a boot camp coming up, right? Sad on dun. Oh, now y'all want to hit the hearts. I don't know what that was. All right, y'all. Anyways, as always, uno gade, uno geto. Nkabula, nando you're on camera. Uno utiri aka, I got dinner one. I got do it twa neke. Norie, Nafo. Now, wait, I was waiting the whole day for this live. Damn. John, should we go ahead and have the live? Since John was here from the jump. I wish I caught you earlier. No, I just kind of started. John, should we? John, let's do it tomorrow, man. I apologize. I know you've been waiting, so we'll try again tomorrow. I think you were the one that also recommended the idea for the AFA, and I'll definitely be more prepared for that tomorrow. Hey, mama. What did mama? Wish I got you earlier. Okay, let's do this tomorrow. Okay, John, I appreciate everybody for being here. Amaka, John, is that Oki? Oki, everybody, if you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. Put your notifications on. Um, I'm all good down for tomorrow. Okay, I think tomorrow will work better. All right, as always, uno gade, uno geto, nkabala uno tiriaka, ogade no wa, ogade otwa neke, no rie, na fo, na nkwo, ise. All right, Jishikeno. Take care, guys.